Alright, let's break down what just happened in the crypto market after the Fed's latest move. So, the US Federal Reserve just made its first rate cut of 2025, a 0.25% reduction. That brings the federal funds rate down to around 4.00 to 4.25%. And here's the kicker, they're hinting at possibly 2 more cuts before the year's out. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter for crypto? Well, when the Fed cuts rates, borrowing gets cheaper. That means it costs less to take out loans or use leverage, so there's more money sloshing around in the system. People get a little bolder, institutions get a little bolder, riskier assets suddenly look a lot more interesting. Bitcoin altcoins. There's also the dollar angle. When rates are high, cash bonds look pretty sweet, but when rates drop, the appeal fades and crypto starts to shine a bit brighter. Plus, a weaker US dollar often gives Bitcoin a tailwind, since it lowers the opportunity cost of holding non-dollar assets. So, what did the market do? Bitcoin popped up after the announcement, even flirting with $115,000, but it's having a hard time staying above that level. Ethereum. Most altcoins? Mixed bag. Some are up, some are flat, and a lot of traders are just waiting for a stronger signal. Here's the thing, a lot of this move was already priced in. Investors have been expecting a rate cut, so when it finally happened, the reaction was kind of muted. The Fed's being careful, they're making small cuts, still watching inflation, and making it clear that future moves depend on the data. That means volatility is still on the table. If inflation heats up again or the Fed talks tough, crypto could pull back. And let's not forget about other risks. Regulation, geopolitics. Sudden shocks can all throw a wrench in the works. So is this the start of a bull run? Maybe. Rate cuts are usually good news for risk assets, and we're seeing some positive momentum. But don't expect fireworks overnight. Typically, Bitcoin, Ethereum move first, and if confidence holds, then you might see the action spill over into altcoins. DeFi. A full-on bull run usually needs a few things. Several rate cuts, cooling inflation, solid economic data, good vibes in the market. We've got some of those ingredients, but not all of them. Bottom line, the Fed just gave crypto a nudge in the right direction, but the real fireworks might still be a few steps away. Stay tuned, keep your eyes on the data, and don't get caught chasing every headline.